In this tutorial, you'll learn how to sync NetSuite and Postgres in real time. By following along, you'll gain the confidence to create, monitor, and maintain your data syncs with ease. To begin, we'll navigate to the Sync section of the platform. Click the Create New Sync button to start the process. You'll then select the NetSuite app from the Connected Apps list. You can choose to use a saved connection or create a new one. Next, select Postgres from the Connected Apps list. Now, choose a saved connection or create one. After this, Stacksync will create your sync. Once the sync setup is done, you'll click on Link Tables. Here, you can choose which tables to sync from the dropdown and have the option to create new tables. When all the tables you want to sync are selected, take a moment to review your field mapping. Stacksync does this automatically and also gives you the option to customize the sync direction. If everything looks correct, click the Create Sync button. After this, you'll be taken to the Syncs page on Stacksync. Here, you can see the list of all available syncs. Go ahead and turn on the sync you just created. From here, navigate to your Postgres database. If you go back to Stacksync, you'll see that the syncing has started. If you scroll down, you can check the sync stats. When you hit refresh, you'll see the number of records is the same in both NetSuite and Postgres. If you check your Postgres database, you'll see all the data from NetSuite updated through Stacksync. Now, let's go to NetSuite and add a new customer. Proceed by filling out all the required details and then hit Save. Let's go back to Stacksync and hit Refresh Sync Stats. You'll see the number of records increase by 1 in both NetSuite and Postgres. That's how fast and powerful real-time two-way sync in Stacksync is. Let's navigate back to our Postgres database and change some of the data. We're going to enter data in the wrong format and see how Stacksync handles issues during the process of two-way sync. Now, when we refresh our sync stats, it shows one issue. To get an overview of the issue, we can navigate to the Issues page, and along with the error, we have the option to revert changes and also view more details about what went wrong. By following this tutorial, you've learned how to set up a two-way sync between NetSuite and Postgres. With this, you can confidently keep your data consistent and up to date across all your connected platforms. Learn more at stacksync.com and chat with an architect to get started on your next-gen infra.